everyone, we're going to work in our grammar packet for today. We're going to be in the grammar packet with the teacher. We're actually going to start off right at the beginning. Page 3. Periods are used as a signal to stop at the end of the sentence. We're going to put a period at the end of each telling sentence. Let's read the sentence. Our class lines up at the main door. Period. Sometimes we make our teacher smile. Period. We play indoors on rainy days. Period. There are some great new books in the library. Period. I like to write funny stories. Period. Now they want you to write 2 sentences about your school. I want you to write 2 of your very own sentences about your school. Remember to start with a capital letter and end with a period. Post your picture to Seesaw so I can see the sentences that you wrote. When you're ready, turn the page. Let's do page 4. On page 4, they want us to write periods in this letter. Let's read the letter. October 10th, 2011. Dear Aunt Fran, I like school this year. I like school this year. Period goes there. There are 22 kids in my class. Period. A new boy sits next to me. Period. His name is Robert. Period. I think we're going to be friends. Period. I'll let you know in my next letter. Period. Love, Timmy. Now let's answer the question. How many telling sentences are in this letter? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many periods are in the letter? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's somehow related. Let's turn the page. We're going to skip page 5 for right now. Let's go on to page 6. Page 7. On page 7, we're going to be writing question marks at the end of each question. Ready? If it's a telling sentence, we're going to be putting a period. The world's longest river is the Nile. Period. Where is the Nile? That's a question. The Nile River is in Africa. That's a telling sentence. Are there crocodiles in the Nile? That's a question. You could jump in and find out. Period. Are you kidding? That's a question. I'd rather just ask someone. Period. Are you afraid of crocodiles? What's going to go here? If you said a question, you're right. Who wouldn't be afraid? That's a question also. Nice work. Let's turn the page. Let's go to page 8. On page 8, we're going to read the paragraph and we're going to add either a period or a question mark at the end of each sentence. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Lots of animals live in rivers. That's a period. Of course, fish live in rivers. Period. Oops, forgot to circle it. What else lives in rivers? That's a question. Snails, frogs, and turtles live in and around rivers. That's a period. Have you ever heard of river otters? What kind of sentence is that? Oh yeah, that's a question. They are very good at diving. That's a period. They can stay underwater for 4 minutes. Period. Do you know any other animals that live in rivers? That's a question. Nice job. Boys and girls, the next section, they want you to write 2 questions about rivers. Remember to use question marks. Also, remember you need capital letters. Write your 2 questions about rivers down at the bottom. Remember your capitals and remember your question marks. All right, boys and girls. Now, you're ready to do some work on your own. You're going to be completing page 8A. Here it is, 8A. They want you to read each sentence and circle the question mark. That's not hard. The next one, they want you to write 2 questions of your own. Draw a line under the capital letter at the beginning of each question and circle the question marks. We know how to do things like this. We do them in class all the time. I'm going to show you a sample. Here's my question. Here's my question. Will it rain today? You don't need to do my question. You can do your own question. I want to show you how to underline and circle. You're going to put the 3 little marks under the capital letter to show that it has been capitalized. And then you're going to circle the question mark. Remember, boys and girls, you're going to do 2 of your own questions on page 8A. Let's go on and take a look at page 8B. On page 8B, it says question sentences ask something. Draw a line under each sentence that asks a question. Circle the question mark. That's easy. You can do that. The next section says read the sentences. Circle each sentence that asks something. So for number 5, which one is an asking sentence? Circle it. And number 6, which one is an asking sentence? And circle it. Boys and girls, please make sure you post photos of your work in Seesaw. That's all your grammar work for today. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye.